All right, Sandy, so if we want to solve this quadratic equation, our first step is to get the thing set equal to 0. So I've got to get it into standard form. So I'm going to start by moving the 8 over to the other side, which will give me 4m squared plus 2m minus 8 equals 0. Next, I notice that there's a GCF of 2 in all of these terms over here. So next thing I'm going to do is divide both sides by 2 here to clear that out. So that'll give me 2m squared plus m minus 4, and then 0 divided by 2 is still 0. Okay, so at this point you got to make a decision. You could try to factor it, but I'll just tell you right now, this one just doesn't factor. So we don't really have any choice but to go to the quadratic formula on this one. So think about our values. Our A is 2, our B is 1, and our C is -4 here, right? So those are the values we're going to plug into our quadratic formula. Okay, so the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus a big square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, right? So we're going to plug into that. Our values are 2, 1, and -4. So plugging in, we have the opposite of b. So the opposite of 1 is -1. B squared minus 4 times 2 times -4 all over 2 times 2. So that's 1 plus, up here in this multiplication I see 2 negatives, so I know my product's going to be positive, so add those up, we get 33. Or I'm sorry, 32, and then 32 plus the 1 that we have there will give us a total of 33 inside the radical. Okay, the 2 times 2 on the bottom gives us a 4. We want to try to simplify. We want to try to reduce that radical to lowest terms, but 33 is 3 times 11, so no pairs in there, no perfect square factors. And then we want to try to reduce our fractions, but no common factors in that. So this is going to be our answer for this particular problem, and that's the best we can do. Okay, so hopefully that clears it up. Let me know if you have any other questions.